He's going downstairs to the ground floor and she's putting her back.
Which way? Which way?
Wearing all black.
He was there. Where's downstairs? Where's downstairs?
White male or eyes of
Yes. He said down. He said. Which way?
Hey, do we have him cuffed? Do we have him cuffed? Slow.
And we gotta make sure we don't have no more subjects.
As far as that's, and I don't think I didn't see necessarily the alarm pushing, but that might I did push alarm.
It's not specifically mentioned here, although. Okay. You know, sir, everything's being recorded, just so you know. If you want to speak, it's fine. I'm happy to listen. Your attorney turned the microphone off, though. Probably a wise move. All right, as to count one, I'm going to find probable cause for 5 counts of attempted murder on a law enforcement officer, I believe, based on the fact that it mentions officers together with the security guard. There's more than one. There's more than, I think, 3.
That'd be over defense objection, and also as far as the security guard goes, there might be an aggravated assault, but there's not a firearm discharge or anything specifically as to the security guard that necessarily.
If that's correct, then I'm going to find probable cause as to 4 counts of attempted second-degree murder on a law enforcement officer. And I'm setting a bond on count 1. What bond are you seeking? Because I don't think $20,000 is high enough.
These are non-bondable offenses. At least the armed burglary with an assault, battery therein while armed with a firearm, that's a non-bondable. The attempted second-degree murder on a law enforcement officer with a firearm amounts to a non-bondable on those counts. However, I would be seeking $1 million bond on those counts. Like that, I have a non-bondable on the burglary with assault, battery therein, and $1 million bond on the attempted murders on the police officer.
As to count 1, count 1, attempted second-degree murder of a law enforcement officer, the bond is $1 million. Count 2, attempted second-degree murder of the law enforcement officer, $1 million bond. Count 3, attempted second-degree murder of a law enforcement officer, it's a $1 million bond. And count 4 will be a $1 million bond. Count 5, ROR, or unless you want a dollar bond on that.
That's a $5,000 bond.
Oh, I'm sorry. No, count 5, I'm not finding probable cause for the 5th count. Do you want a dollar bond or do you want ROR, Mr. Ugarte?
I'd ask for the dollar bonds.
Okay, dollar bond for count 5. Count 6, the aggravated assault with a firearm is a $7,500 bond. There's probable cause for that charge. Count 7, armed burglary with an assault or a battery, it's an assault. No bond. Count 8, armed criminal mischief. It's actually, I thought if it's a burglary with the criminal mischief, it's greater than 1,000, it's non-bondable. I don't know if state. The criminal mischief with damages greater than $1,000 during the course of a burglary should be no bond. So count 8 is no bond. Count 9, armed grand theft. It doesn't it says it mentions the flag.
He was on with the firearm as he stole the flag.
It's a $7,500 bond for count 9. And count 10, I didn't see any mention about, he admitted it. Count 10, the fire alarm is $5,000. Sir, I'm ordering that you stay away from the Trump National Doral Hotel at 4100 Northwest 87th Avenue.